Tarzan and the mountain's magic. Tarzan gazes at the distant mountain. A mystical glow emanates from the peak. Tarzan decides to embark on a journey. Tarzan begins his ascent. The rocks shift beneath his hands. A deep voice echoes around him. Tarzan battles fierce winds. Fire erupts from cracks in the stone. Tarzan overcomes his deepest fears. Tarzan reaches the summit. The mountain peak opens mysteriously. A crystal of immense power is revealed.